This is an introduction video of what is Python and what is Python used for. Python is a computer programming language that people use to create software, websites, and games. It's like a special language that tells computers what to do. It was created in the 1990s by a man named Guido van Rossum, and it's named after the Monty Python comedy group. Python is used for many things like building websites, making scientific calculations, creating games, and even building robots. It's a really flexible language that can do a lot of different things. It's also a popular language, which means lots of people use it and there are lots of resources available to learn it. One cool thing about Python is that it's a beginner-friendly language, which means that people who are just starting to learn how to code can use it. It has a simple and easy to understand syntax, which makes it easier to write and read code. That's why Python is a great language to learn for beginners who are interested in computer programming.